Nag-serve kayo ng warrant, di ba? Operation?
Yes, Your Honor, magsaserve po kami nun. Pero hindi,
O, ano isi-serve nyo kung wala kayong dalang warrant?
with due respect, Your Honor, lahat po yun ay documented from pag-alis namin. Actually po, planned operation dahil po pinlano po namin yun, naka-logbook po yun, naka-blatter. At
O, so, naka-blatter, na lalakad kayo, mag-serve kayo ng warrant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan na
Your
yung
Honor,
blatter? Saan na yung blatter na yan?
Okay,
part po yun sa mga sinabit
Okay,
namin na
ayan na naman,
documents.
ayan na naman, Mr. Chair. Palagi nadudulas, magsaserve sila ng warrant. At again, kumukontra naman sinasabi ni Colonel Arnedo, yung kanilang PD, na walang warrant dahil sila ay nagkikasing lamang. Again, hindi na naman tumutugma. Ang daming hindi pagtutugma-tugma. Covert operation, hindi, hayaan mo siya magsalita. Let him speak. Do not stop him. Isa ka pa. See, sandali, hindi, I'm not talking to you, sir, Colonel po. You see? Sinabi niya, they were serving the warrant, which means they have the warrant in possession, because if you're serving the warrant, then you must have that paper.
Yes, dapat.
Kaya nga, di ba? Simple English. They were serving the warrant. So, merong hawak
So,
silang warrant.
saan ang warrant nyo at that time? Bakit hindi kayo nagdala ng warrant? According to your
Dala po
PD.
ng warrant officer ko, Your
Ha?
Honor. Ako po yung sinasabi lang hindi may dala, pero yung warrant officer ko po ay meters lang po ang layo sa akin.
Sinong warrant officer nyo the time?
Police Corporal Joel Dicen po, Your Honor.
Ikaw?
Yes, Your Honor.
May dala kang warrant the time na yan?
Nasa bulsa ko po, Your Honor, kasi po magsiserve po kami ng warrant of arrest.
Kaya nga, paano kayo magsiserve kung walang warrant? So, dala-dala yung warrant.
Dala po namin,
Oh,
Your
bakit
Honor.
sabi mo na walang warrant?
Magbabalidate pa lang kami that time, Your Honor, nung...
Sandali.
Mr.
Bakit
Chair.
mo sinabi na walang warrant?
Mr. Chair, alis na lang ako rito. Hindi ko matiis. Nakikita ko na parang itong mga pulis pinagluloko. I'm sorry, I have to walk out. Hindi ko kaya to.